on how you can get to your first $500 days with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads in 2026. As you can see over here, this is just one of the accounts and we have just been testing it out, okay? This new offer, digital info product, and if I go over here and click, you can see, right, 79 clicks, all right? 79 clicks, and if I click here, 6 actions or 6 sales, and over here 334 euros, which is over, let's say, almost 400 US dollars, okay, in 24 hours with affiliate marketing. Now if you're a beginner watching this video and if you want to know exactly step by step how to put this into action, the first thing you have to understand is there are low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, okay? So you have to target exactly buyer's intent. We call it buyer's clicks. So the money is in the buyer's list, buyer's clicks. We're not talking about email marketing here. We're talking about targeting with Google pay-per-click ads, okay, with Google ads, with text ads, without YouTube videos, without any images. We are targeting buyers, okay? Buyers intent, buyers clicks. So all you have to do is in 2026, if you want to have similar results, step by step, you can copy and paste this method for yourself, done for you in 2026 by actually importing the right funnel on ClickFunnels, okay, the quiz funnels we are using, and second of all, having the right ad copy and buyers list. This is very important if you want to have similar results. You can see only 79 clicks. You don't have to go viral or have thousands or hundreds of clicks per day. No, 79 clicks, only 6 sales or 6 action, and here is the results. If I click, as you can see over here, right, the live proof, okay, as a case study. So if you want to have results in 2026 with Google pay-per-click ads, let me know. There's my WhatsApp number, Instagram, email, even Facebook Messenger, all under this video in the description below.